Printify versus Shopify. Which e-commerce platform should you use? Choosing the right e-commerce platform can completely change how you build and grow your online store without the hassle of complex setups. Printify and Shopify offer distinct approaches to selling online. Printify and Shopify are both powerful e-commerce platforms, but they serve different purposes. Printify focuses on print-on-demand product creation and fulfillment, while Shopify provides a full-featured store builder with extensive customization and sales management tools. Printify is a print-on-demand platform that connects merchants with a network of print providers to create custom products like apparel, accessories, and home goods. Users upload their designs, select products, and Printify handles printing, packaging, and shipping directly to customers. This eliminates the need for inventory or upfront costs. Printify works through integration with e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce, allowing you to automate order fulfillment seamlessly. Its strengths lie in low risk, ease of use, and access to a wide variety of products and print partners worldwide. However, Printify's customization options for your online store are limited since it focuses mainly on product creation and fulfillment. It's ideal for entrepreneurs who want to sell custom-designed products without managing inventory or manufacturing, especially those starting small or testing new product ideas. Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform designed for building, managing, and scaling online stores. It offers a robust website builder, customizable themes, payment processing, marketing tools, and inventory management all in one place. Shopify supports a vast app ecosystem to extend functionality and integrates with multiple sales channels, including social media and marketplaces. Unlike Printify, Shopify does not produce products but allows you to sell anything, including print-on-demand items through third-party integrations like Printify itself. Shopify excels in flexibility, scalability, and control over branding and customer experience. Its limitations include monthly subscription fees and a learning curve for advanced features. Shopify is best suited for businesses that want full ownership of their store's design and operations, from product sourcing to customer management, and are ready to invest time and resources into growing their brand. Printify and Shopify complement each other but serve different needs. Printify is perfect if you want to quickly start selling custom products without inventory risks, relying on print-on-demand fulfillment. It's straightforward but limited to product creation and fulfillment services. Shopify, on the other hand, is a full e-commerce solution that lets you build a branded online store with extensive tools to manage products, customers, and marketing. If you plan to expand your product range beyond print-on-demand or want complete control over your store's look and functionality, Shopify is the better choice. For a streamlined print-on-demand setup, use Printify integrated with Shopify to get the best of both worlds. The trade-off is between simplicity and control, depending on your business goals and technical comfort. Choose Printify if you want a low-risk, easy way to sell custom print products without managing inventory or complex store setups. Opt for Shopify if you need a full-featured e-commerce platform with flexible customization and growth potential. Combining Shopify with Printify integration offers a powerful solution for scaling a print-on-demand business with total control over your brand and customer experience.